Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot how to fix no sound on Acer laptop. Let's dive in. The first step is to check volume settings. Ensure sound is not muted. Click the speaker icon on the taskbar and set volume to an audible level. The next step is to select correct playback device. Right-click the speaker icon, open Sounds, open Playback tab, set speakers headphones as the default device. The next step is to run Audio Troubleshooter. Press Windows plus I, select System, pop-up sound, click Troubleshoot under Output. The next step is to update audio driver. Press Windows plus X, open Device Manager, expand sound, video and game controllers. Right-click audio device, update driver, search automatically. The next step is to reinstall audio driver. In Device Manager, right-click audio device, uninstall device. Restart to auto-reinstall drivers. The next step is to install Acer official driver. Visit Acer support page, enter laptop model, download and install latest audio driver, then restart. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.